So right now you're thinking of different means and different ways of getting a little extra money to get by, especially in these financial times when everything is so expensive. If it's even to make an additional $1,000 per month, and you're thinking of starting a side hustle, but you are thinking it's not possible because you have a full-time job, no, stop it. Do not make an excuse of working a full-time 9 to 5 job stop you being in the way of starting a side hustle. No, 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 my friend. And you're speaking to someone who has worked full-time jobs and created several side hustles in the process. So I can tell you that no, 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 no. Please stop it, drop it. That is not an excuse. Come with something better than that. In this video, though, I'm going to share with you 5 side hustles that you can start right now while working your full-time job. And the last one is my favorite, and I'm going to tell you why when we get there. So stick around until the end. Now let's get right into it. Now, the first side hustle that I would advise you to give a try at while you're working your full-time job is to start selling digital products. Now, digital products could be a wide range, right? So this can include ebooks, flyers, templates, courses, what else? Several other things that you can sell, creating digital products. Now, yes, you might need an audience to sell these products to, but if you have a social media platform, there you go again. You have no excuse. Jump on TikTok, Instagram, Facebook, whatever social media, Pinterest, whatever one you prefer. Maybe you are already on a platform. Choose a platform, whatever is your expertise right now. Look into different products that you can offer to sell. Are you good at finances? You might be able to create a financial budget template, put it up, create it on Canva. Go on Canva. If you haven't heard of Canva, Canva is a platform that I use for maybe all of my graphic designs, right? So you can go on Canva, create your product, whether that's be a workbook, an ebook, a template, or whatever it is, create that product and put it up for sale, right? So that's the first one. I've created several different digital products, which I currently have on my website. Once you do one, you see what's selling, you see what your audience wants, what they're asking for, create it, sell it. That's the easiest one to start off with. You can even sell it on Etsy, right? You can create graphic designs in Canva, and you can put them up on Etsy. These can go, well, I'm not going to get into it yet because that is going to be one of the 5s, right? So let's stick a pin until we get to the other one. Now, number 2 is affiliate marketing. And this one I'm also doing now. Affiliate marketing is marketing, promoting somebody else's product, right? And the most popular ones currently are Amazon affiliate. Have you heard of Amazon affiliate programs? You can apply, become a partner, and you can start creating links from products you use and recommend from Amazon. You stick it up again in your social media platform. So say, for example, I have my YouTube channel down below. You'll see links that I have from my Amazon store. You can also create an Amazon storefront, right? So Amazon is one of the most popular ones right now. You choose your niche. So even if you're a career woman, you work Monday to Friday, fashion and style is your thing, you shop and you buy these products, promote them, market them, create your TikTok account, and you go and you put on your different outfits. Say, hey guys, you like this dress, and you show the colors and you tell them where you get this dress by putting the affiliate link into your TikTok up in the bio there where they can click. You can also tell them to DM you. If you're on Instagram, you ask them to DM you so you can send them the link, right? There is also Like to Know It. I know Like to Know It does a lot more like of household products or fashion and style also that are not available on Amazon, right? So these are different affiliate programs that you can join. There is ClickBanks, there is Impact. Whatever your niche is, you can find a product that you like, that you use, and you promote that product and you get a commission from that product. So that's number 2, affiliate marketing. Number 3 is to create an e-commerce store. And I'm telling you all these because I've done all these side hustles while working a full-time job. So I'm telling you again, it's not an excuse. Choose one and start going. If you're enjoying this video so far, by the way, please join the family and by clicking the subscribe button and also the notification bell, because I'll be creating more of these series of make money videos throughout this month, right? So join. I'm sure you don't want to miss out on how to make some extra money, right? So create your e-commerce store, and this can be via Shopify, via Etsy. Those are the 2 major platforms right now for e-commerce. I've created a Shopify store. I had a Shopify e-commerce store a few years ago that I launched by selling apparels, cups, mugs, t-shirts, hoodies. So you can explore to see what types of products you want to sell on your e-commerce store. So say you have been through something, you have been through an illness, you are promoting something that you firmly believe in. So for me, I was promoting mental health. So I had a whole lot different apparels with different statements that was advocating for mental health, being that I'm a mental health nurse. I also had different apparels for healthcare workers, nursing, social workers, and all that stuff. So you can choose your niche, and you can also create these designs on Canva. I think I'm going to do another video on how to start an apparel store. If you're interested, if you think that's a good idea, let me know in the comments. Drop it. Yes, start an apparel store, and I will know that you're interested in this other video. So you can start your e-commerce store. You can make that e-commerce store print on demand, or you can print yourself from home. You can also incorporate drop shipping into that e-commerce store, right? So there are several different things that you can sell on that e-commerce store. Assess your skills, your gifts. What are you good at? What are you passionate about? And what are your interests? And you can choose one of these ideas and you get started. And number 4 is being an author. Yes, I said it. You can become an author while you're working a full-time 9-to-5 job. It's not that hard. And I'm telling you, rest assured, you can do it. So think of a book idea. I know you have that book idea in your head. It's been one of your goals to write a book years upon years. Come on, we're now in Q2, Q2. Make it happen. It's time to make it happen. Stop the excuses and stop and in and out, in and out, in and out. Sit, decide, write a time when you're going to launch this book, and write a time when you're going to start creating this book. Now, again, I've written a book while working 9-to-5. And if you're interested in knowing how I wrote my book and self-published that book on Amazon KDP, let me know. I'll also do a video showing you exactly what I did, right? So explore different topic ideas of a book you can write. And if you don't want to make this a hard copy book, you can also make it an ebook. Yes, you can sell this as a digital product, as I just mentioned. Yes, that's why I didn't want to talk about it in number 1, because I know I had it coming up in number 4. So this ebook can be a hard copy or it can be an ebook, right? My book is available on Amazon Kindle. It's in hard copy and both Kindle, right? What to expect when moving to Canada. So find something that you're passionate about, something that you might want to help somebody through that you have been through. You want to guide them, you want to give them the blueprint, and you sit, you outline. You can take even a month to write this book. It doesn't have to be a long book. It can be just a handbook. For my book that I wrote, I think I wrote that book in 2 to 3 months. Initially, I had it as an ebook where it was a downloadable. Now I have it on Amazon KDP as hard copy. So think about it, book idea, and you can become an author while working a 9 to 5 job. Now, are you ready for number 5? Please hit the like button and let others see this video and learn something also from this video. So hit the like and make sure you subscribe. Now let's go on to number 5, my favorite one. You can start a YouTube channel, guys. Yes, it is not that hard to start a YouTube channel. Now I'm in my 2nd year of my YouTube journey. Right now, I'm currently at 1,800 subscribers, and our goal is to get it to 2,000 subscribers in Q2. So again, I'm begging you, subscribe if you haven't yet done so, right? And starting a YouTube channel, it's not that hard, guys. It's not that hard. I've been in year 2, as I just said, and I've just been using my phone, my Samsung phone, for my YouTube channel. I will put the links of all the things that I use in my description to start my YouTube channel. So the phone, as I mentioned, yes, my Samsung S23. My mic, initially when I started, I didn't have a mic. So this was my maybe first investment, is to have this mic here. I use a tripod, which is a tripod and a selfie stick in one, and also a ring light. Now, if you cannot afford to invest in all these things, that's literally like 4 things all at once, I would say maybe leave the ring light for last, because you can film in the daylight, use a natural light to do your filming. So to get started on your YouTube journey, you choose your niche, choose something that you're passionate about, that you can talk about in the next 5, going into the next 5-10 years. Write down some video ideas, at least 100 video ideas, yes, so that when you start, you just keep rolling and you don't get out of ideas. If you cannot find 100 different ideas, then choose something else, choose another niche. I've done a video on how I started with YouTube with just my phone. I will link it right here for you to watch it after watching this one. And again, I will put the link of the startup things that you need to start your YouTube channel in the description. And these again are things from being an affiliate. Affiliate marketing, as I mentioned in number 2. So why YouTube is my favorite? Because all the other 4 things that I just mentioned, you can add them to your YouTube channel in your YouTube business, making it number 5. So if you're selling digital products, you can link it in your YouTube description, which I do. I have digital products on my store that I often link in my description. If you're doing affiliate marketing, you can link them in your YouTube description also, as the example that I just did, sharing with you the different equipments that I use, my mic, my tripod, and the ring light, right? So you can link them in your YouTube, getting more money. Number 3, if you have a book, you can add your book, market, promote your book, use your YouTube video to market and promote that book, right? More money. If you have an e-commerce store wearing t-shirts, you can wear your shirts while doing your YouTube video to market and promote your e-commerce, whatever products you're selling in your e-commerce store, you market and promote them on YouTube. So now do you see why YouTube is my favorite platform, my favorite side hustle so far? And there's a potential to create thousands and thousands of dollars like those other YouTubers. You see them having how many millions of subscribers, getting how much money from YouTube. No, please don't sleep at YouTube, because You're sleeping on YouTube while you could be doing YouTube in the evenings while your kids are at school. You do your videos. I'm not telling you. Go ahead and watch this video. Thank you so much and see you in my next video. Bye for now.